Elon Musk's Tesla is offering free charging for electric vehicles in 4 cities around Ukraine for those fleeing the country. Tesla's doubling down. So at least Elon, he did the the Starlink satellite service, sent some equipment over there. And now he's saying, go charge up for free, get out of the country if you have to. The electric vehicle maker announced the news to local users in an email. An estimated 677,000 people have fled the Ukraine for neighboring countries since the Russian invasion began on Thursday. That's a lot, man. You're getting close to that million mark. Mm-hmm. And those are not short trips, obviously. It's a big country by European standards. And in order to travel across it, your Model 3, Y, S, or X may need a top-up. And you might be short on funds, seeing as how you had to bounce very quickly, seeing as how you couldn't maybe extract money from the ATM. And maybe your credit cards, I don't know if they're working or what's going on. The free charging service is available in 4 cities. I'm going to attempt them. Trezbanisko, Kosic, and Miskolc. And the Prekin. Anyway.
And Poland and Slovakia.
Yeah, it's interesting. They're not in Ukraine. I don't know if they had any stations in Ukraine. So the free charging service is actually, one of them is in Poland, one of them's in Slovakia.
Maybe it's around the borders?
And one of them's in Hungary. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe they weren't in Ukraine at the moment. But they're doing as close as they can. Tesla doesn't have operations in Ukraine. And the company did not immediately respond. Yeah, okay. So I guess they're trying to help out, but obviously those stations would be more useful in Ukraine. But a lot of these trips, are to those countries. People are escaping to Poland mostly, but then you've also got the likes of the Slovakias and the Romanias and such.
It's very quick, Elon turning these services on. Like with Starlink, it was turned on. It was just like a flip of a switch. And obviously the hardware need to get there, but it was on. Same with, I guess, the charging stations. Like every one of them were just turned on in a way. So
recommendo.
Really, really fast stuff. It's good for him.
That you had the big speech from Joe Biden yesterday.
Oh, should we go with
what's that?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No, you're good.
Just keep going. There's an Elon tweet there as well. I'll try to find it.
Go there. Hey man, you're in you got the reins.
The reins?
The reins are yours. Wherever you got to take us, whatever order this is meant to be in here.
Okay. Well, the State of the Union, I think, was yesterday with Biden. I think Elon had something to say about that as well. Hold on here.
I don't think so, Will. I think you're crazy. I want to get that.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, okay, here you go.